Let's talk about a huge case that literally changed the meaning of freedom in India.
So what really keeps you free? Is it just a law, or is it justice itself? This was the big question.
It all started back in 1950. A prominent communist leader, A.K. Gopalan, was detained. He was held under a new act that let the government jail people for what they might do in the future. So Gopalan fought back. He took his case straight to the Supreme Court, setting up a major legal showdown.
And it all boiled down to one key line in Article 21 of the new Constitution.
The government's view, any law passed is valid. Gopalan's? No way. It has to be fair and just.
In its 1950 judgment, the Supreme Court actually sided with the government, taking a very strict view. They said personal liberty only meant freedom from being physically locked up. That's it.
You see, the court believed fundamental rights lived in their own separate, isolated silos.
This meant a law under Article 21 couldn't be challenged for being unreasonable under Article 19. They didn't connect.
But here's the thing. It wasn't a unanimous decision. Not everyone agreed with this.
In fact, one judge, Justice Fazl Ali, wrote an incredibly powerful dissenting opinion.
He said you can't just separate these rights. A law has to be fair and just, period.
But for decades, that narrow interpretation was the law, and it really limited people's personal freedoms.
But that dissenting opinion, well, it planted a seed that would eventually change everything.
It took 28 years, but in the Maneka Gandhi case, the court did a complete 180.
Suddenly, personal liberty meant so much more. The right to live with human dignity. It was revolutionary.
The court finally agreed with Justice Fazl Ali's dissent. Those silos were torn down.
And in their place, a new idea was born, the Golden Triangle, linking these three articles together.
This meant any procedure that took away your liberty now had to be fair, just, and reasonable.
So the Gopalan case started as a loss for liberty, but ended up making it so much stronger in India.
It just goes to show you how one dissenting voice can change the entire course of a nation's laws.